Chapter 3. More on Adobe Photoshop CC 2022. Learning objectives. Use shape tools. Use the pen tool. Understand layers. Explore painting tools. Learn image transformations. Navigate within Photoshop. Use retouching tools. In the previous chapter, you learned the basics of Adobe Photoshop CC, including its interface, selection tools, and image manipulation. In this chapter, you will learn about additional tools and the concept of layers using the shape tools. The shape tools in Adobe Photoshop CC allow you to create various geometric shapes like rectangles, ellipses, lines, and custom shapes. To draw a shape, follow these steps. Step 1. Right-click on the Shape tool icon from the Tools panel to see options like Rectangle tool, Ellipse tool, Polygon tool, Line tool, and Custom Shape tool. Step 2. Choose the desired shape. Step 3. Click and drag on your canvas to draw the selected shape. Hold the Shift key to constrain the proportions. For example, draw a perfect square or circle. Step 4. In the Options bar, you can adjust properties like fill color, stroke width, and more. You can also set the number of sides for polygons or choose a custom shape from the shape presets. Step 5. Use the Move tool to reposition the shape. You can resize the shape by dragging the corners while holding the Shift key to maintain proportions. Step 6. Click outside the shape to deselect it. Using the Pen tool. The Pen tool in Adobe Photoshop CC is a versatile tool for creating precise paths, shapes, and selections. To create complex shape and drawing using the Pen tool, follow these steps. Step 1. Choose the Pen tool from the Tools panel. Step 2. Click on the canvas to create the first anchor point. Click again to create a straight line between points. Continue clicking to add more points, forming a path. To create a curved line, click and drag to adjust the curve. Step 3. To close the path and create a shape, click on the first anchor point you created. The path will close and you can then fill it with color or apply a stroke. Step 4. Use the Direct Selection tool to adjust the position of anchor points or the curvature of the path by clicking and dragging the points or handles. Step 5. Right-click on the path and choose Make Selection to convert the path into a selection. Step 6. In the Paths panel, you can save the path for future use or export it as a vector shape. Layers in Photoshop allow you to work on individual elements of an image without affecting other parts. They act as transparent sheets stacked on top of each other, enabling non-destructive editing. All the layers are visibly in the Layers panel. Make sure the Layers panel is visible. Go to Window Layers if it is not already open. Layer panel also allows you to add new layers, duplicate existing ones, or delete layers to organize your project. Adjust the transparency of a layer, allowing underlying layers to show through. Drag layers up or down in the panel to change their stacking order, determining which layers appear on top. Add effects like drop shadows, glows, or bevels to enhance your layers. Apply masks to hide or reveal parts of a layer without permanently altering the image. Organize related layers into groups to keep your project organized and make bulk edits easier. Prevent accidental changes by locking layers, restricting movement, editing, or transparency. Use blending modes to control how a layer interacts with layers beneath it, creating various visual effects. Creating a new layer To add a new layer, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the new layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Step 2. A new layer appears above the active layer, automatically named as Layer 1, Layer 2, etc. Renaming a layer. To rename a layer, follow these steps. Step 1. Double-click directly on the current name of the layer in the Layers panel. The text box will become editable. Step 2. Type the desired new name for the layer. Step 3. Press the Enter key to confirm the new name. Deleting a layer. Step 1. Click on the layer you want to delete in the Layers panel to select it. Step 2. At the bottom of the Layers panel, click on the trash icon. Step 3. If prompted, confirm that you want to delete the layer. The layer will be removed from the document. Layer effects. Layer effects allow you to apply various styles to your layers, such as shadows, glows, and bevels. These effects can drastically alter the appearance of your image in a non-destructive manner. Step 1. Click on the layer you want to apply effects to. Step 2. At the bottom of the Layers panel, click on the Effects icon. A Layer Styles dialog box appears. Step 3. In the Layer Styles dialog box that appears, select the effect you want to apply from the list on the left. Common effects include drop shadow, inner glow, bevel, and emboss and stroke. Step 4. Once you have selected an effect, adjust its settings on the right side of the dialog box. Each effect has different options, such as size, opacity, color, and angle. Step 5. Ensure the preview box is checked so you can see how the effect looks on your layer as you adjust the settings. Step 6. After adjusting the settings to your liking, click on the OK to apply the effect to the layer. No more. To remove an effect, open the Layer Styles dialog and uncheck the effect, or click on the FX icon in the Layers panel and drag it to the trash icon. Painting tools. Photoshop offers a variety of painting tools that allow you to add color, texture, and effects to your images. Brush tool. The brush tool is a fundamental tool that allows you to paint on any layer, similar to using a physical paintbrush. Various settings including mode, opacity, flow, smoothing, and the brush preset picker in the options bar enable you to customize the brush tool's behavior. Steps to use the brush tool. Step 1. Select the area where you want to use the brush tool with a selection tool of your choice. Step 2. In the options bar at the top, click on the brush preset picker to choose a brush tip. You can adjust the size and hardness of the brush here as well. Step 3. Choose a desired foreground color. Step 4. Click and drag on the canvas to start painting. You can use various strokes and colors to create the desired effect. Shortcut keys. Press the B key to select the brush tool. Use the bracket keys and to increase or decrease the brush size. Pencil tool. The pencil tool is located under the brush tool. The pencil tool creates hard-edged lines. Steps to use the pencil tool. Step 1. Click and hold the brush tool icon. Then select the pencil tool from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Like the brush tool, you can select the pencil tip from the brush preset picker. Step 3. Set the desired size and opacity in the options bar. Step 4. Click and drag to draw precise hard-edged lines on your canvas. Paint Bucket tool. The Paint Bucket tool is a way to quickly fill areas of an image with a single color. It works by looking for similar colored pixels and replacing them with the color you have chosen, like pouring paint onto a canvas. Steps to use the Paint Bucket tool. Step 1. Choose the Paint Bucket tool from the Tools panel. If it's not visible, it might be nested under the Gradient tool. Step 2. In the Options bar, choose whether to fill with foreground color or a pattern. You can also set the tolerance, which determines how similar in color pixels must be to be filled. Step 3. Click anywhere on the canvas to fill an area with the selected color or pattern. The Paint Bucket tool will fill all adjacent pixels within the tolerance range. Gradient tool. The Gradient tool allows you to create smooth transitions between multiple colors or shades within an image. Steps to use the Gradient tool. Step 1. Choose the Gradient tool from the Tools panel. Step 2. In the Options bar, click on the Gradient picker to select the gradient preset or create a custom gradient. Step 3. Set the gradient type, linear, radial, angle, etc. and adjust the opacity as needed. Step 4. Click and drag across your canvas to apply the gradient. The length and direction of your drag determine how the gradient is applied. Rotating or flipping an image. Transforming images by rotating or flipping them can add dynamism to your designs or correct orientation issues. To rotate or flip an image, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the image you want to rotate in Photoshop. Step 2. Click on the Image menu from the drop-down. Hover over the Image Rotation submenu to see the rotation options. Step 3. Choose a desired rotation option. 90 degrees clockwise rotates the image 90 degrees to the right. 90 degrees counterclockwise rotates the image 90 degrees to the left. 180 degrees rotates the image 180 degrees upside down. Arbitrary allows you to enter a custom rotation angle. Flip canvas horizontal flips the image along the vertical axis, creating a mirror image. Flip canvas vertical flips the image along the horizontal axis, turning it upside down. Step 4. Once you select an option, the image will rotate or flip up. Navigation tools. Hand tool, press H or click on the hand tool to move around your image by clicking and dragging. Zoom tool. Press Z or click the zoom tool to zoom in by clicking or zoom out by holding Alt and clicking. Rotate view tool. The Rotate View tool allows you to temporarily rotate the canvas view without actually altering the image itself. To rotate the canvas, follow these steps. Step 1. Press R or choose the Rotate View tool from the Tools panel. Step 2. Click and drag to rotate the canvas to any angle for easier editing. Step 3. Click on the Reset view in the Options bar to return the canvas to its original orientation. Retouching tools. Photoshop's retouching tools are essential for correcting imperfections, enhancing images, and achieving a polished look. Spot Healing Brush tool. The Spot Healing Brush tool is ideal for quickly removing small imperfections like blemishes, spots, or scratches. It automatically samples the surrounding area and blends the correction seamlessly with the rest of the image. Steps to use the Spot Healing Brush tool. Step 1. Choose the Spot Healing Brush tool from the Tools panel. Step 2. In the Options bar, set the brush size slightly larger than the blemish or area you want to correct. Step 3. Keep the mode set to normal for most situations and ensure the Content Aware option is selected for seamless blending. Step 4. Click and drag over the imperfection. Photoshop will automatically blend the area with surrounding pixels. Healing Brush tool. The healing brush tool allows for more controlled correction of imperfections by letting you choose the source area manually. This tool is perfect for fixing larger areas where you need to carefully match texture and color. Steps to use the healing brush tool. Step 1. Choose the healing brush tool from the Tools panel. Step 2. Adjust the brush size and hardness in the Options bar to suit the area you are working on. Step 3. Hold Alt key and click to select the area to use as the source for healing. Step 4. Click and drag over the area you want to heal, blending it with the source area. Clone Stamp Tool. The Clone Stamp tool duplicates pixels from one part of an image to another, making it ideal for removing larger objects or replicating textures. Steps to use the Clone Stamp tool. Step 1. Choose the Clone Stamp tool from the Tools panel or press S on your keyboard. Step 2. Adjust the brush settings in the Options bar to match the area you want to clone. Step 3. Hold Alt key and click on the area you want to copy. Step 4. Click or drag over the target area to replicate the pixels from the source area. Patch tool. The patch tool is used to remove unwanted sections of an image by replacing them with a different area. It is particularly useful for larger areas where you want to maintain consistent texture and tone. Steps to use the patch tool. Step 1. Choose the patch tool from the Tools panel. Step 2. Click and drag to outline the area you want to replace. Step 3. Drag the selection to the area you want to use as a replacement. Step 4. Adjust the patch settings like structure and color in the Options bar for better blending. Content-Aware Move tool. The Content-Aware Move tool allows you to reposition objects within an image while automatically filling in the original area. This tool is excellent for rearranging elements within a scene without leaving noticeable gaps. Steps to use the Content-Aware Move tool. Step 1. Choose the Content-Aware Move tool from the Tools panel. Step 2. Outline the object you want to move using the tool. Step 3. Drag the selection to its new location. Photoshop will fill in the original area using content-aware technology. Step 4. Adjust the adaptation settings in the Options bar for a smoother blend. Chapter Essentials. Shape tools create geometric shapes in Photoshop. Pen tool allows for creating paths, shapes and selections. Layers enable non-destructive editing of individual image elements. Layer effects add styles like shadows, glows and bevels to layers. Brush and pencil tools add color and texture to images. Paint bucket tool fills areas with solid color. Gradient tool creates smooth color transitions. Images can be rotated or flipped for better design. Retouching tools like Spot Healing Brush and Healing Brush correct imperfections. Content-aware tools rearrange or remove objects seamlessly.